45 degrees, and set center height for this. Centering the two center height important. Every time must make sure it's center height before you start using. Okay. So from here, bring in. Check. Okay. Make sure the center meet together. So if let's say the center height is not correct, what you need to do? You need to adjust. If the center height is above the center, okay, this one you need to loosen. Alright, same thing here. Loosen this. Too high, you adjust anti-clockwise. Alright, before you adjust, loosen the screw here first. Okay, there's one grab screw here on top here. Loosen. Then if too high, you adjust, turn anti-clockwise. After that, lock it back. Then you check. Okay. So once it's center high already, you can bring out this one. Then this one bring away. Okay, then take out the center. Right. Pen back. Continue from here. Okay, about 10 mm inside. Tighten the workpiece. Your cutting tool, bring over here. Remember the slide, compound slide, try not to move too far out or in. Try to keep about the flat surface here. Then this one loosen. Tilt 90 degrees. Okay, this cutting tool must be perpendicular to this axis here. Okay, this is the leaf to center axis. So it must be 90 degrees, no angle. Cutting off. Tighten. Alright. After that, okay, according to the drawing here, you need to finish the length to 25 minus 0.1. We are going to do the cutting off more than 25. You see here? 25 minus this one. Later I will show you how to do the length. Alright. Okay, so we are setting out this cutting off tool. You set the vernier to 27 mm, 2 mm extra. Lock it. Alright. Then you move this one. Using the tip, touches the side here of the cutter. Okay, you can see the tip here. Now on the vernier here, there's a step. Don't use the step here. Use the right to the end. The tip here. Okay. All right. So that it will not be have a different reading later on. Okay. So from here to here is the 27 mm. Okay. So you place the tip here. Move in. Okay. So this surface touches the front of the job. The front surface here. This one touches the tip. All right. So this is 27. Clear? Okay, after you done this, very important thing you must check here. From the surface, the front face of the chuck to the cutter, there's a gap about 5 mm. This one must be there. Okay, at least minimum must have a 5 mm gap here. Clear? So once you do this one you set, okay, to the 0 reading. First, check. Alright, 27 already. Finish already, done already, right? Spindle speed set to about 400 over. Start from here. Okay, about maybe about 400 over. Then you use the coolant little bit. Drip a bit. touch the surface of the job first. After it touch, set to 0 here. Right. Then you move slowly, bit by bit, until from 0 to 2. Don't rush bit by bit. Touch a bit, bring back again. This. Until 2 mm. Alright, stop 2 mm, you bring out again. Okay, what is the next thing? So I already from here I start 0, I go into mm, I bring out again. I want you to turn this one turn to create a clearance for the cutting off tool to move. Or else if you go direct in, the cutting tool will jam there and then break. This one, the cutting off tool will break. So what you do, you turn one round clockwise. One round is 2 mm exactly. So now this one move in by 2 mm, right? I mean the space here left about 3 mm. Clear? Just now the starting is 5 mm, right? So I move one turn, that means the 2 move in by 2 mm. Okay, so I'm going to do another cut. This time I will stop at 4 mm. Just now the first cut, 2 mm. Okay, I start 0, I go in until 2 mm. Now I start again. We'll continue to go to 4 mm, which is deeper than the first cut. Alright, we'll go to 4 mm. Okay, once I reach 4 mm, I stop. Slowly, this one cannot rush. Alright, must allow the chip to blow out. Alright, see when you start touching only the chip curve, touch only the chip curve. Alright, you see now? Right, okay, touch only the chip curve out. Right, so now I stop at 4 mm. After finish, bring out all the way. Okay, you can see there's a difference. There's one step. First step here, 2 mm. Correct. There's inner one, 4 mm. Clear? So this space here, this one and the inner one is actually to create a space for the chip to flow out also. And also the cutter will not jam there. Once the cutter jam there, it will break very easy. This what I call carbide. Okay, the cutting off tool. So now, once I finish 4 mm, I bring back again to the original position. One turn back. So I come to this one original. Correct? Original position. Then this time I can straight away part out slowly. All the way. Until the first piece, the front piece drop. So this one I can slowly plunge in bit by bit. Plunge in bit by bit. Then this piece will drop slowly. Alright, don't rush. So this is called what? Cutting off. Alright, cutting off. So I slowly punch in bit by bit. And then coolant just little bit, no need to go on so much. Little bit of coolant. Alright. Okay, going to drop soon. So I see, okay, it will drop on the leaf there, right? Okay, so once you cut off already, you stop, bring out this one. So you clamp your workpiece. After cutting off, you will change the cutter, alright? So you change here, clamp 10 about 10 mm inside. Okay, listen. Alright, now what is the length for this piece? See here? Length is 45. right? Okay, so you need to set the vernier again 47. Lock it. Alright, place the vernier this way. This one 47. The first piece is 27. Okay, give 2 mm extra. Alright, later we are going to face to the length. So here 47. Clear? Alright, after that what you do? Same thing. Same as just now, the same process. Touch first. Touch the surface. After you touch, set here to 0. Right, pull in the bit on. Okay, so you same thing, slowly bring to 0. From there 0 you bring slowly cut until 2 mm. Alright, the process is the same as just now. Alright, the steps. Bit by bit, allow the chip to drop. Okay, after they cut already, bring back again. Okay, 2 mm, right? Stop, bring out. Same thing, what you do? You turn 1 round. This way down, okay? And then you cut until 4 mm. The next one 4 mm. Finish? 4 mm finish, what you do? Now stand back 1 round, right? Back to 0 again. And then this way, the last part, slowly all the way part through. Okay. Right, now finish.
Okay.
So here, this one, after you cut off, what is the length? 47. So I will do the cutting off at the length 28 mm. The overall length 28 mm. I set the vernier to 28. Alright?
Okay.
And I will put the tool back to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And then I do this pattern. Place here, check 28 mm. Alright, so 28 mm is here. Okay, so I can do the cut off slowly. Same thing about 400 over cut off part. Touch already set to 0. Move until 2 mm, just like the previous one, last week one. Move until 2 mm first. Right, then I move up, turn here 1 turn.
Okay.
1 turn here. This This one I go to 4 mm. Okay, finish. Then back, one turn back.
Yeah.
And this one I part it off all the way.